channel. If you are new, my name is Dave, and also this is Scott with Team 512. Scott has a C5 Corvette as well as I do, and also a C7. So if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content for both of us, or C7 content, please consider subscribing to my channel and also to Scott's channel. Today's video is about doing trivia. Now, if you follow Scott, he has asked trivia questions to, I was the second victim. So he's already done it once, and now on the second video, I'm going to leave a link down in the description to that video so you can check out, see how I did. I think I got 6 or 7 of them right. To be honest, I don't remember, but his questions were a little bit harder than what my questions will be.
Oh, good, because that's the first time I'm hearing that. I'm happy to hear that.
Yes. So, without further ado, let's get into the first question.
Well, here we go.
Question number 1. Now, this is going to be multiple choice, just how you structure it the same way. I'm going to give you 4 options.
Beautiful.
You give me the correct answer. Some of them are so easy, I may not even give you the option.
Oh, no.
Right? So, the first year the Corvette was ever available, model year, it was 1953, as we all know. If you wanted that car, you can only get it in one color.
Yep.
What was that one color?
Oh, go ahead.
Was it red, white, blue, or black?
It was white.
Yes, correct. Say easy one.
No, that's a good one. You need a dinger, though.
Yeah,
Maybe you can edit in a dinger.
a dinger. I need a dinger. You're right. All right. Now, this question is very similar to one of the questions that you asked me in my trivia. That's how, like, when you started asking the question, I started smirking because I knew the answer already. The Corvette, over its lifetime, has been manufactured in 3 different locations. What was during that first year only? Where was it manufactured? Was it in Bowling Green, Kentucky, St. Louis, Missouri, Flint, Michigan, or Detroit, Michigan? For that first year only.
Well, okay, so I asked a very similar question, but I know it's not Detroit, and it's probably not Bowling Green, because that's where it is now. And I'm going to guess Flint, Michigan.
Correct.
Beautiful.
First year only, made 300
of
the 1953, so only 300 of those models exist, and they were all made in Flint, Michigan. After that, they moved to St. Louis.
Cool.
All right, third question. We are up to number 3 so far. Scott is 2 for 2. Corvette began production in 1953. What was the one model year that no Corvettes were released for sale? Was it 1970, 1982, 1983, or 1984?
1983.
You are correct. So Scott is now 3 for 3. This one pays homage to my automatic roots and how I prefer my automatic cars. As you hit a bump and I almost lose my phone. Prior to the new C8, which, as we all know, currently they're not indicating any manual transmission for that car.
That's right.
What was the only model year to not have a manual transmission as an option?
Oh my gosh.
Was it 1953, 1954, 1981, or 1982?
Did not have a manual?
It did not have a manual transmission as an option.
I need a lifeline. I need to phone a friend. Unfortunately, I don't know that I could call anybody right now that would know the answer to that. Give me the dates again. 53, 54.
53, 54, 81, or 82?
Oh boy. I'm going to say 82.
Good, man.
Was it? Is that right?
Yeah, you're right.
All right.
4 for 4. All right, this next one, this is one of those questions, this is one of those gimmies, because I didn't know if you were going to get the last one right, so this was to have you a bounce back.
Now, I did have a bounce back question.
You did?
A couple bounce back questions, so you guys got to go check that video out on my channel.
Correct. So, I'm not going to give you any option on this one, because it's that easy.
Okay.
C5 Corvette was produced from what year to what year?
97 to 04.
Alright, got it.
Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah, ding, ding. Now you're 5 for 5. What the hell? This question's got to be harder.
One more right and I get a D. I'm at least a D.
Yes. So now this is for my car here.
Okay.
What was the first C5 model year yellow was an available color?
The first year it was available?
Correct. First model year that it was available for the C5.
Okay.
Was it? Do you need options or you got it? I'm gonna give you the options.
Give me the options.
97.
Okay.
98.
Okay.
99.
Okay.
Or 2000.
All right. So, whoa.
Truck coming. Truck coming. You don't need to shoot.
Oh, okay. Sorry. All right. So I'm gonna guess, because the color of this car, which is a fantastic yellow color, is called Millennium Yellow. I'm gonna guess that the year 2000 was the first time there was a yellow.
Yes. Yep,
Is that right?
Yep, you're right.
I'm a D. I'm at least a D.
And then the next question, you already answered it. What was the name of this color?
Millennium Yellow.
You got it. So 7 for 7.
So I'm a C.
Yeah. Alright, now this is another C5 question. A lot of my questions are C5 based because I have a C5 channel. What color code was the most produced C5 for this, well, was the most produced for the C5 generation?
Okay.
Was it Millennium Yellow, Pewter, Torch Red, or Black?
I think it's probably either Torch Red or Black. Man, I really think it's like a toss-up between those two colors. Although Pewter is an awesome color for these cars. I'm gonna go with Torch Red.
Torch Red is correct.
Oh.
8 for 8. Man, we're coming down to it.
I'm a B.
Alright, so this next one, you might get it because it's multiple choice. And you're doing fantastic at, you know, process of elimination.
Yeah, it's pretty much what I'm doing for some
So, Aztec Gold is commonly known as the rarest color because they only sold 15 Aztec Golds throughout the production of the C5. However, in 1998,
fairway green.
I didn't ask the question yet.
All right, sorry. Go ahead.
However, in 98, what color sold fewer units than Aztec Gold?
Oh, I might be wrong.
Was it Radar Purple? Now, all these colors were available colors.
Oh, is that right?
It's not like a trick question.
Okay. Okay.
All were available colors in 1998.
Radar Purple.
Radar Purple, Medium Purple Pearl Metallic, Navy Blue, or Nassau Blue.
Oh boy.
They only sold 14 of these in 1998.
Well, first of all, I love Nassau Blue. That is one of the coolest blue colors, one of the coolest colors for a C5 Corvette. I don't think it's Nassau Blue because I've seen a good bit of those. And what year you said? 98?
1998.
You've got a couple purples. Radar Purple.
Yeah, Radar Purple,
I've never heard of that.
Medium Purple Pearl Metallic, and Navy Blue. And Nassau Blue, which you already.
Yeah, I'm going to eliminate Nassau Blue. Do you guys know at home what it is? Shout loud enough. Maybe I can hear you and I can get the right answer. Although I'm really leaning towards this Radar Purple. I don't know this.
Actually, it was Navy Blue.
It's Navy Blue.
They only made 14 of them in 1998. Now, they made a lot more of them in 99, but it must have been like a late model availability or something, because they only sold 14 of them in 1998. All right, final question. So you did get one wrong, so you're now perfect. 10 for 10.
Now he's excited. I got at least one.
Thankfully. All right, the 50th anniversary Corvette, only available obviously in 2003. This was the 50th anniversary. Now, a lot of people get this wrong, that just because you have a 2003, they automatically assume they have an anniversary Corvette.
Okay.
This is not the case.
Yep.
The 50th anniversary car only came in the anniversary red color.
Yes.
That was the only particular that could be called the 50th anniversary.
Gotcha.
This anniversary red exterior color was only available with one interior color.
Okay.
Was this interior color black, shale, light gray, or light oak? Again, all those colors were available in 2003.
So I have seen this car before, and I'm familiar with the red color. The interior, I know, is a light color. I'm not sure if it's shale or light oak. I think it's one of those two. And I think it's time for you guys again to yell loud at home so I can hear what you're saying.
You let them down on the last one. You let them down on the last one.
They were telling me the right answer. I just wasn't listening. That's the problem.
You were fighting it.
But go ahead, yell right now, really loud. Go! They're saying it was light oak.
You weren't listening again.
What?
It was shale.
Was it shale?
Shale.
Oh no!
So you went 8 for 8, and then you fumbled the last. You're like the Jets, my favorite team. Sorry to even admit this. Is the New York Jets. We always find a way to lose games. I mean, you did go 8 for 10. So I mean, that is still pretty good.
How did I get that wrong?
You were so close.
I was so sure that it was
close.
light oak. I didn't listen to you guys again. I gotta listen to you. That's what I gotta learn. Gotta listen to you guys.
All right, so Scott still did pretty well. He did 8 for 10. So that's gonna do it for the first round of trivia. Hopefully, I get to drive with some other people that I can try these trivia questions with again. They will not be the same same questions. These questions are actually hard to come up with because I know you knew Corvette, so I didn't want to give you easy ones. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Again, follow myself and Scott over at Team 512, and we'll check you later.
Later.
Fucking close out my video and I went.
Later, dude.